You might not need a bigger speaker after seeing this video. The JBL Xtreme 4 was actually made with extreme measures. Well, let me showcase something that made this speaker wonderful, and maybe while you might not need a bigger speaker than this. The JBL Xtreme 4 comes with strap, whereby you can actually strap this on you and take this out on hiking or jogging or wherever you want to go, with a bonus of having a bottle opener. With this bottle opener, when you're having parties out there, cock that bottle of drink open and get yourself jiggling with your friends, which is very awesome. Just with a new button design, which is different from the Xtreme 3. Now you have the power control with the Bluetooth and the oral cast. Now you have your pause play. You can use this to skip, double tap to skip, and triple tap to reverse your song, and you can increase it from here and reduce it from here, which is very awesome, and you can see how beautiful it is. When it comes to the passive radiator, now you have these prominent rubbers that protects the passive radiator, just like you have on the JBL X6 and the Flip 7, which are new design look. Right now you only have the Type C. They have taken out the aux cable and the USB cable, but this has in and out. And with this, you can also play lossless audio. We'll get back to that in this video. And for the most important thing about this, the battery, right? Removable battery. The Xtreme 4 has a removable battery like we have now in the Boombox 4. This is very good because with this, you can easily swap out your battery and get the best juice out of battery life. So the JBL Xtreme 4 connects multi-point, whereby you can connect two devices to this. You can also connect this to your smart TV, and you can actually get this to replace your home theater. But when it comes to battery life, the Xtreme 4 is advertised with 24 hours of playtime, whereby you get 24 hours on 20% volume. You have an extra 4 hours if you use the AI sound boost in the JBL app, which basically strip out all your bass and make your speaker sound like a radio, which is still very cool. I don't recommend you using it to do that though. And yes, of course, it's easy to connect this speaker. This speaker now has an oral cast. In the oral cast, you can connect this to another JBL Xtreme 3, whereby you can play them in stereo. This is actually a stereo built speaker, 2-speaker woofer and 2 tweeters, meaning you already have stereo from this. But having another Xtreme 4 that you can connect oral cast to it give you a true stereo vibe. Then you can connect this to other JBL speakers like the JBL Clip 4, the Go 4, the Flip 7, the Charge 6, the Boombox 4, and yes, of course, the Studio 9, and any other oral cast enabled devices, which is very good when it comes to connectivity. I love this. Right, so now you have lossless audio. With lossless audio, you can actually play your music using Type-C to your phone and get crisp and clear audio without any interference. This comes with a Bluetooth version 5.3. But the lossless audio on this enables to give you a refined sound with no interruption. So talking about the waterproof, the JBL Xtreme 4 is fully waterproof and dustproof with the IP67 waterproof rating. As you can see there, you have the IP67 waterproof rating, and this speaker packs a lot of punch. A little story time. I went to the pool one day to swim with my guys, and what we did was just jam. And then, of course, we actually dunked this into the pool. I know you all are thinking I'm crazy, but yes, of course, they actually serve. They are waterproof and they are rated very well, meaning you can actually dunk this in the pool and it floats. So you don't have to look for your speaker when you're on the boat or on the ship or cruising with your friends and you have the speaker drop into the sea. Relax. It's not going to be washed away. It's going to float, period. Right? So this is just an amazing thing about the speaker. The waterproof ability is just very dope, and 24 hours is no joke. Trust me, when you jam this on 20% volume, you can get 24 hours, and I've actually jammed this and got to 24 hours or even more. I think I got 28 hours on 20% volume. Then when you take it down to 50 or 100, you're going to get less hours than that. But regardless of that, you are still going to rock the speaker because you have an app that you can use to customize the equalizer. From the app, you can get software updates. You can always change the equalizer. 7-band EQ is no joke on this bad boy. And yes, of course, the JBL Xtreme 4 packs a lot of punch. It is that speaker that was built with decent sound. So some people might think this speaker is too big for them, but I don't know. I feel the JBL Xtreme 4 has been an upgrade from the 3. The 3 had 15 hours of playtime. This has 24 hours of playtime, which I really love. And you cannot remove the battery, which is cool. I love the fact that I can always swap out my battery whenever I want to swap it out, and then I'm not scared of dropping my speaker down and it's going to get damaged by water. And guess what? This speaker can actually take a punch. When you drop it down, it has shock proof. You see all these rubbers here, they are no joke. They're actually built to resist shock. And the way the speaker is built with the built-in interior, this speaker is actually that durable. And yes, of course, having a bottle opener is not bad when you're hanging out. What's a party speaker without a bottle opener, right? So this is very cool. I'll say the price point of the Xtreme 4 is something that you should watch out for, right? It can be a bit pricey where there are other speakers that are lesser, almost same size. But one thing I'll guarantee is that the sound quality on this, it's very wonderful. You will love the sound quality on the Xtreme 4. So for those of you watching, wondering where you can get the JBL Xtreme 4, you can actually get from two places. You can either get from us if you're in Nigeria, or you can actually shop through the link. Both links will be in the description. If you're in US or wherever country you are, click that link. You see the link to the Xtreme 4, shop yours, and you get it at a very good deal. Then if you're shopping here in Nigeria, you can click our WhatsApp link and send us a DM. We'll get you this to your location regardless of where you are. So let us hear this Xtreme 4 speak for itself. So what do you think about the sound quality in medium volume and the highest volume? Tell me your thoughts in the comment section. For my honest opinion, I'll say you should get the JBL Xtreme 4 if you're a sound lover and you want a speaker that you can actually swap out the battery. You play your speaker for 24 hours, that's when you play it on low volume, and you get the waterproof speaker that actually comes with a bottle opener and that packs a lot of punch in the sound quality. Like the bass on this, the mids on this is very dope. And yes, of course, you can actually EQ it and get the best sound quality. So if you're a lover of JBL, you can actually watch more of our videos, not just JBL, we review gadgets. You can check out the JBL Chat 6 if you want a smaller speaker and you want to check out how the Chat 6 sound, or the JBL Boombox 4 if you want something bigger and you feel this is too small for you. Well, subscribe to EmmysRoom, like and share, and make sure your friends are engaging in what we are doing, because this is what we are going to keep doing. Stay confirmed.